Paul Rugarber here. Tip of the day, how do you take information and internalize it and use it for you? We get a lot of information from different people and they say, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that. How do you know what's right for you? Part of it is learning about other information. So you got to find out what's out there. If you're looking to exercise, find out the different philosophies on it, who does what, who recommends what. Doesn't mean you have to do all of those things. You have to find what's right for you. What feels right to you? What do you enjoy doing? So you listen to a bunch of information, then you decide what it is that's going to work for you. Nobody else knows you specifically except you. So try different things, whether you're talking about meditation, hot yoga, deep breathing exercises, any of those things, morning routines. Listen to what other people say. Listen with an open mind. So you say, okay, let me hear what your thoughts are, and then let me see which things of those I like. Maybe none of them. Maybe something clicks and you say, oh, okay, I like that. Or maybe there's something that you hear it and you say, well, I could take that and change it a little bit and then make that my own, and then I feel comfortable with that. You know, as an architect, I love to go outside of the architecture world and listen to other businesses and see how they do things, whether we're talking about marketing or sales or processes, because you learn differently when you look at other industries and other people. Same thing when you're trying to do something for yourself, if it's personal development, if it's just getting better in general, either at fitness, at eating, at being a better person. Listen to other people and then say, I like that, let me try that. Or maybe I can take that, twist it a little bit, and make it my own so that it's something that I feel good with and I feel comfortable with. Listen to a lot of information, adapt it, take it, make it yours, and do something to move yourself forward all the time. Continual learning will get you to where you want to be in a happier place. So tip of the day, take information, listen to a lot of it, adapt it, make it your own, and run with it. Talk to you soon.